EM03 Smart Grinding Machine 17 Series SIM Slot Grinding Operation Video. First, place and secure the 17 Series SIM slot base in the machine. Start with the SIM slot milling cutter. Install the SIM slot milling cutter. Use the number 13 and number 17 wrench together to tighten it. After the PCB drill bit is installed, tap SIM card slot. Select the 17 series mold. Tap calibration. Wait for calibration to complete. After calibration, switch to the T-shaped milling cutter. Take out the 17 Pro lower mold. Place the matched phone frame into the lower mold. Attach the side upper mold for the 17 series. Place the 17 Pro into the base in the correct orientation. Secure it. Tap the folder icon. Select the 17 series. Choose 17 Pro as alarm card right inner side. Open. Then tap Run. Wait for the inner side grinding to complete. Inner side finished. Switch back to the SIM slot milling cutter. Replace with the vertical upper mold for 17 series. Place it on the base with the power button side facing up. Secure it. Tap the folder icon. Select the 17 series. Choose 17 Pro as alarm card right side. Open. Tap Run. Wait for the process to finish. SIM slot grinding for the 17 Pro is complete.